Late one night, my phone buzzed with a notification from my Ring doorbell. Motion detected. I checked the camera, expecting to see a delivery or maybe a stray cat. But the screen showed something strange. My living room. The camera was pointed inside my house. I froze. I live alone, and I was still at work. Then a figure slowly walked across the hallway. Tall, dark, standing perfectly still. My phone pinged again. Motion detected. Front door opened. But the camera still showed the door, locked from the inside. Then the figure stepped closer to the camera and whispered, "Why are you watching me?" The screen suddenly went black, and when I got home, my Ring doorbell was gone.